glitchy. I'm out of the skybox right now. And I think that my game is ruined now. Now let's just get to the bird self-ride. Hello to part 6. Now, you know, it was a little bit too late because that was something on else, but finally part 6 to see. Yeah, I know, it was actually just one day delay, no big deal, but big, more like your kidneys. Stop! My time has come. Lava parkour part 2. Okay. Okay. Lava parkour part 2. Let's see. No, your toothbrushes are back. I must be somebody. Who's back here? What? Brush your teeth. Oh. No, brush your teeth. 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 You made steam? Why? Why brush your teeth? Yeah! It's ketchup! There's so many ketchup! No! No way! Avocado! That is a tiny orange. What? I've been insane. I'm insane. I just threw up an orange. Now I'm gonna. What's it? We remember. Who are you? I'm going down there with you. Nope. Where's the yellow one? The yellow one. It's time to search down here. What do you got? I'm following you. Huh? Oh! I'm searching still. Whatever that cool kid squid was, I'm tired of this now. Chicken! Somebody died here. Oh, I'm back to reality. What just happened? What? What's going on? What? Something's dying all the way back there, but I don't know what it is. Hello? What the? Wait. What? I'm flying. I'm flying and I'm gonna die. I'm still wondering why this guy's neck is so long. What happened? Why was his neck is actually so long? Wait, I'm gonna wanna go all the way back there. I wanna go all the way back there. I wanna see what's going on with this guy's neck. There's something wrong with his neck. Headless bird. Yo guys, it's headless bird. Oh, I brought back his head. I brought it back. I brought it back. Yeah, I think you might have just fixed the problem now. Hello guys, welcome to the screen. He just died. Did I pick him too hard? What a nice day. He's back! Oh, then Gun is back. Welcome back. Where have you been? I am not Raymond. I'm just saying, this is literally the known. He's literally... Oh, what's down here? What is down here? Somebody died here. What is... Hello? Oh. It's safe now. Wait, I am dangerous. That means I'm gonna... Yo, sir. Would you like... I'm not even being dangerous right now. Hello to you too. I'm gonna be dangerous now. I'm dangerous to you. I'm throwing ketchup at you. I'm throwing ketchup all over you. Oh God, roll down and drink ketchup. Oh yeah, ketchup all over my face now. Hey, ketchup, man. Are you hungry? Because you need ketchup. Yeah, he needs ketchup. Get some ketchup. I am being dangerous now. Yeah, you're on ketchup. Can I just say ketchup? I'm throwing ketchup all over these people. Who wants to get ketchup? I'm gonna do some ketchup. I'm gonna take a screenshot of this. Yes. Eat ketchup.